might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide. And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope y'all are having a fantastic day today. The weather here is so beautiful, and we're supposed to get a cool front coming through, and I think it's going to go down to about 55 tonight. So we're really getting into that fall weather coming in, and it's really nice because it does get muggy here. And also today I'm going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies. And I made these cookies back when my children were at home a lot more than I make them for me and Calvin now. And we used to watch the Waltons, and we'd all enjoy our oatmeal cookies while we watched the Waltons. I hope some of you remember the Waltons. That was a great show that we enjoyed, and sometimes we do get to watch some of the reruns too. So let me get started over here and make these cookies. And sometimes it's just good to reminisce about the good old days. So let me get over here and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put my butter in. And this is 2 sticks. It's been at room temperature. So now I'm going to be putting the sugars in. And this recipe is on the Quaker Oat box. And I'm going to be beating this until it's creamy on my medium setting on my mixer. Alright, my batter is good and creamy now. So now I'm going to add in my eggs and vanilla. Get this mixed a little bit better. Alright. Okay. Now then I'm going to be adding in my flour and my cinnamon and salt. got that all incorporated. All right, now then I'm going to put in my oats. Okay, and now I'm going to put in my raisins. Alright, now this is all blended in. And if you have a really sticky batter, you can put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Alright, my batter was a little sticky, so I refrigerated it for about 30 minutes. Kevin, do you remember when I used to make these when we watched the Waltons?
I sure do.
Those were good old days, weren't they? But it's still good days. It's a little different though.
We're just making new good days.
Yeah. You can cut this in half if you just wanted to, but I have so many people that like cookies, so I made a big batch. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 9 to 10 minutes. Okay, hi everyone, I'm back and my cookies have cooled off now, and I did go ahead and make the rest of the batter up, and it made 44 cookies. So I'm ready to do the taste test, and I'm gonna let Calvin taste it also. Very delicious. You want to come over here, Calvin?
Hey, you want me to try one with you? They sure do smell good. I've been over there just enjoying the smell of them while you've been cooking them. And I said, oh man, I'm ready to do the taste test. I know how good they are. I've had them before.
My grandson said that he seen my last video of the cookies that I made, and we told him that we were making some more, and so he said, be sure and save us some. So I will.
Yeah, we'll make sure he gets a batch of these. You got 44?
Yeah.
We can share them with everybody, can't we?
We sure can, even our neighbors.
Very good, Marie. I like them with raisins too. You don't always put raisins in them,
No.
but they were very good this time.
Yeah.
I'm going to give that 5 stars, girl.
Okay. I'll give it 5 also, yeah.
I'm going to lay it right there. I'm going to finish in a minute after we get through talking, okay? Did you show everyone that the recipe you used was, she used the recipe that came off of the lid for the Quaker Oats.
Yeah.
And it's just a little bit different than the old original recipe that we've used before.
Yeah.
But we'll go ahead and we'll put that recipe on there for these cookies, because that's how you made these. And they turned out very good. I'm very proud of them.
I am too.
Okay, Marie. We'll let you close this one out, sweetie.
Okay. Y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. September.